Details po ako sa City Administrator's Office. Details po, ma'am.
From City Budget Office to City Administrator's Office, were there other positions in the LGU Davao that you assumed? May iba pa po ba kayong naging trabaho after the City Budget Office and the City Administrator's Office?
SDO po.
SDO po na?
Confidential level.
Are you referring to LGU of Davao City?
Yes po.
You are saying that you were the Special Disbursing Officer of Davao City Confidential Fund.
Yes po.
Can you please enlighten us, ano pong inclusive period ng City Budget Office? As far as you can recall.
Yung na-employ po ako sa City Budget Office, ma'am.
1/7.
Inclusive period, ma'am. From 1 year to 1 year.
Hindi ko naman maalala, ma'am. Sorry po, ma'am.
Okay. How about the Administrator's Office? Can you still recall?
Yes po.
2016 to
2022 of June.
2022 of June. But you mentioned a while ago that you work as well as the Special Disbursing Officer of the Davao City Confidential Fund. So if you are saying that from 2016 to 2022, you were at the City Administrator's Office, ano po yung inclusive date na SDO naman kayo ng Davao City Confidential Fund?
Ang maalala ko, ma'am, the last 3 years po bago po ako napunta sa Office of the Vice President po.
So is it safe to say that from 2019 to 2022, kayo po ang Special Disbursing Officer ng Davao City Confidential Fund? Would you confirm that?
Yes, ma'am.
2019 to 2022. Nonetheless, yun po pagiging officer nyo sa City Budget Office, kailan po ito nag-umpisa? Your first employment at Davao City LGU is Sangguniang Bayan. Tama po? Can you please give an approximate year? Kailan po ba itong City Budget Office?
Hindi ko masyadong matandaan, ma'am. Kasi, sorry na bisaya ako po.
Approximate year lang, ma'am. Reasonable guess.
Kasi na-permanent ko start sa Suda ako is 1996.
Was it after the
99 yan ka, ma'am.
1999? Okay. Let's assume from 1999 to 2022, you work as City Budget in the City Budget Office, followed by the Administrator's Office, and then to be particular from 2019 to 2022, kayo na po ang Special Disbursing Officer of the Davao City Confidential Fund. You confirm, ma'am?
Yes po, yung mayor po si Ma'am Sara Duterte.
But you will confirm also, Ms. Acosta, that during your time in the City Budget Office, ang atin na pong Vice Presidente ang inyong mayor? Because you said a while ago, it was the Vice President who was the LCE during that time. Tama po ba? At least can you confirm, noon po bang nasa City Budget Office kayo, sino pong mayor?
Si Ma'am Sara sana din.
Ang ating pong Vice
Sana.
President.
Opo.
Okay. Noon po nasa Administrator's Office kayo, sino po ang Mayor?
Si Ma'am Sara Duterte po.
Si Vice President din po. How about when you work as SDO of the Confidential Fund of Davao City? Sino po ang Mayor?
Si Ma'am Sara Duterte po.
And of course, you understand that SDO, or the position of SDO, is a very significant, confidential position that requires utmost trust and confidence from the LCE. Tama po ba? And is it correct to say also na satisfied po ninyo yung standard na report ng ating Vice Presidente during the time that you were in the City Budget Office, during the time that you were at the Administrator's Office, reason why you were entrusted this position of becoming the Special Disbursing Officer of the Davao City Confidential Fund. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Because otherwise, kung hindi po kayo pinagtitiwala ng ating Presidente, this entails huge amount of confidential fund. I believe na hindi po kayo i-appoint bilang Special Disbursing Officer.
Yes po.
You confirm that?
Yes po.
After your appointment and deployment as SDO of Davao City LGU Confidential Fund, ano pong sumunod na dito?
Nalipat po ako sa Office of the Vice President, ma'am.
Sa tingin niyo po kay Ms. Acosta, what is the reason kung bakit ipinagtiwala po sa inyo ng ating Vice Presidente ang pagiging